What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chris P and I'm back with another video. Alright, back to back, 3 videos down, and your boy is gonna keep on dropping bangers. So make sure that you stay tuned, stay around. If you're trying to make some money like me, you know what I'm saying? I mean, come on, what are you doing? Hit that like button, hit that sub button, alright? So check this out, guys. I'm actually gonna pull up my screen right now. Bingo. Alright guys, so as you guys can see here, I am now looking at gold on the 5-minute chart, and as you guys can see here, we had a crossover of the actual enhanced MACD, which is a new trusted signals indicator, and I also have the auto Fibonacci within trusted signals turned on. Auto Fibonacci, I have that checked on. If you're not familiar with trusted signals has over 9 indicators that are available and 2 brand new indicators that are about to release. And the reason why I'm actually in on this trade, because as you guys can see here, we literally tank down, and if we kind of look at where this trend is going, I do believe that we have seen the end of it. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and enter a long here, and you know, right now I'm actually entering a long on this Fibonacci. So let's go ahead and do that here. Long position, and our first take profit is going to be here. But what I do like to usually do is just take my profit along this trend. Okay, as you guys can see here, we have a nice channel, and in between this channel, price is going to be fluctuating. Now I do believe we're reaching a low, and as you guys can see here on the auto Fibonacci, this level is showing blue, so that means this is a buy location, and all these other locations are where you want to look for sales. And as you guys can see here, what price has done, price has moved beautifully between this. Okay, and I also do believe on the 1-hour chart we are at a support level. So as you guys can see here, boom, support, and that's kind of like right along the side of where we're at. So I do believe we shall see this move back up, and look at this beautiful channel. And if we could break this, I do see price actually doing something like this. Let's see here. Okay, boom, look right here. And then I would actually say this will be a key area to target, because this is the last high, so to speak. Okay, and this is a lower high, because as you guys can see here, the market went from high, a little bit lower, and a little bit lower. So now I do believe we shall see this go up. And this is another reason why if we continue on to the downside, which I don't think, I think we should see a possible reversal from here. If we continue to the downside, what ends up happening is this is going to be a key area right here to take profit, because as you can see here, we had this become support. This was a resistance level, and if we look back to the past, it was support as well. So it may have a lot of trouble you know, to come and break throughout this area, but I do believe it shall. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and dive directly into this. I'm actually gonna go ahead and enter this on my phone, so let's go ahead and see what entry or what area I enter. Usually what I like to do is actually move my I like to actually set a buy limit. And if you guys aren't familiar with a buy limit means that if price comes back down to this blue Fibonacci level, it'll automatically trigger. And as you guys can see here, if we would have had that, it would have most likely triggered on this specific candle here. So we missed the entry just by a little bit. And I'm waiting for my BTC to hit my new trade account. I've been all over the place because you know, Trusted Signals has a new partner broker that they're working with, and unfortunately right now I cannot necessarily, you know, show you guys any of that. So I'm reloading my Prosperity account, link in the description if you want to use Prosperity in the meantime while Trusted Signals is getting ready to go. I'm hoping that this tanks a little bit further without giving me a bullish indication. Okay, but let's go ahead and see what happens here, and I will be back in just a moment. I'm gonna enter this trade, and I'll show you guys if we can get into some profits. Now, where am I actually placing my stop loss? My stop loss is gonna be right underneath this trend line, okay, because I do not want it to break under this trend. Okay, if it does break under this trend, we should see this tank a little bit further down, where I would actually look at probably the 4-hour chart to see exactly how far it can go. Yeah, so if you see here, this is 1780, so it could definitely end up reaching, this is the last area of support right now. If you notice, it's actually teetering on on this support level. Okay, so why am I calling this support? Because remember, resistance, this is where it was resisted, this is where it was supported, and now it's coming back to this support line. So I do believe it's going to hold above here, and if it doesn't, then for sure I'll be looking for buy entries along this previous resistance level, and where this support came out. All right, support. So let's see exactly what happens. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. Let's actually go check the 1-minute chart and see exactly what happens here. And let me go ahead and see exactly about this. Let me double check my prosperity. All right, my money is not there just yet. So let's see. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. I'm just doing $1,000, and I'm actually, the reason why I'm not using my other account, because my other account right now is you know, I'm on the bots right now, hands-free money. So I saw this opportunity, so I figured I have to load up an account. I'm loading it up with $1,000, and I'm ready to blow it. What I mean by that is I'm going all in, because I do believe gold is going to go up. I do believe we shall see maybe a bit of a recession soon. So as you guys can see here, look, it's already finding a lot of support. I do believe we are gonna see this rise up, my friends. So let's see exactly what happens here, and I'll be back in a moment. Hopefully this Bitcoin can already get here, and I'll make some money live with you guys. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and check back in a moment. Alrighty guys, so check this out. I just funded my account right now, so my entry is gonna be literally right now. Let me see, I'm gonna do a 0.20. Let me see. Do see that the market is still tanking. Oh, perfect entry. Let's go. I know you like this. Yes. It just tapped our Fibonacci, and I'm in. Literally in. Let's go. So guys, I just got an entry right there, and I was in a bit of drawdown. I'm still in drawdown right now. I'm coming out, and you know what's cool is that I'm using this account literally as a high risk, high reward account. I'm literally all in right now. I just literally, like, I can't even take any more trades. Just check this out.
The stunts in this movie were performed by professionals.
So the reason why I'm doing this is because, number one, I can afford to do this, so don't do this at home. But I guarantee you, we come back in a few minutes, this may be an account flip.
And just fall back.
Trusted signals, let's go!
Now imagine making trading that easy.
So guys, I'm excited to show you guys exactly what I do when I trade. Don't do what I do, just do what I do positively. But I already knew. Look guys, so check this out. Let's actually go back to the 5-minute. And as you guys can see here, we're coming down to this trend line, and you know, if I wanted to touch this, all of those, this is a very good area. Boom, it's still moving a little bit down, but look at this on the 5-minute as well, the 1-minute. The Fibonacci has just been hit, guys. Fibonacci has just been hit. So boom, the Fibonacci is this blue level. I think that the market has been going for so long downtrend. I do believe that we're coming to the bottom here, and the Fibonacci just shows it. So let's wait for these profits, guys. I'll be back in a bit. Yo, what's going on, guys? So as you guys can see here, we entered, all right, and boom, immediately profits. All right, I gotta probably wipe my face. Boom, and as you can see here, all right, I told you guys that we really do this for real, man. And you just gotta let the markets come to you sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Let's keep this going. It's a quick little flip, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, baby. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. So I am back in the house. Just about, it's 8 o'clock. So I took the trades at 3 o'clock. And check out these profits. Boom. So now, as you guys can see here, let's just jump into this computer. Boom. TP smash, boys. Okay, and that's how you do it. We're literally still going in profits, as you can see here. Let's see. we're still moving up. So that's a quick flip. That's exactly how you flip an account over one trade. You let the trade come to you at the bottom of the Fibonacci, and that's it. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take my profits on this. Still going up. Wow. Still moving up, still moving up, still moving up. It's very interesting. I mean, can it get back up here? That'll be amazing. If I can hold it, but this is a lot of profit, guys. That's exactly how you trade using the auto Fibonacci. You let that Fibonacci come right to you, and boom, now look at that. Now all of these are lighting up for buy zones, so you can actually get a retracement back on this level right here. As you can see here, this is where it's actually telling you to sell. It's red on the Fibonacci, so this is a perfect place to take profits, and I am going to take these profits off the table right now, guys. So let's go ahead and hear this profit sound. Ooh, that sounds good. And I'm gonna close this one. Boom. And I'm gonna let 4 of these run, just because, why not? Guys, another thing that I really want to add is, as you guys can see here on the 1 minute and 5 minute chart, the auto Fibonacci is really great, especially when you don't worry about these middle areas and you're only focusing on the top of the Fibonacci and the bottom of the Fibonacci. Because as you guys can see here, we have a nice rejection from the top, okay? And if you notice, when I was in the buy, all of these were red except the bottom one. The bottom one was blue. And if you notice right now that we're in a buy and we broke that little downtrend that we were in, all of these are blue, and then the top one is red, okay? So the auto Fibonacci is a great indicator that's gonna be able to help you, you know, just remain confident and be patient enough, so that way you're not getting into a trade here or trade here, because guess what? If you're selling here, right, it's still gonna bounce up, you're gonna draw down. If you're buying here, you know, obviously you're good, but you have to wait for it. So I would say, look at this rejection here, and we had a nice rejection from this line right here, and boom, that's exactly how you do it, guys. Now I do believe that it should come down, and actually right now ended up closing almost all the trades except these 3, and then I have my stops at in profit and my stops around 1854. Okay, so almost bought down here, because if it does come down here, this is kind of my buy zone, so that's what I'll be looking at. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, if you like making money, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit that like button, that sub button, because your boy is always gonna drop gems. Peace.
Autobots, roll out. We roll.